With history suggesting the origination of the plant being in Ethiopia, today okra is popular in the rest of Africa, the Middle East, Asia, South America, and the United States of America. Okra in Africa goes by many names. In Tanzania it's called bamia, in Mozambique it's known as naguguzire, and in the Democratic Republic of Congo it's known as dongo dongo. On the health side, okra has a large variety of vitamins and antioxidants which are essential for good vision.
Hi guys, Principal Masham here. Welcome to today's video, and today we want to look at one edible plant that's known here in Sub-Saharan Africa as okra. In the way this is known as Idelele, in China this is known as Derere. So today we learn the traditional way of cooking this plant from Gogo MaXaba. Remember Gogo MaXaba did the video on making hamas, and today is going to show us a very peculiar, special way on how she cooks this plant. Welcome.
Ngikhulele endaweni okuthiwa kusemsengezi Purchase area. Thina saba lenhlanhla ke ngoba sakhuliswa ngugogo uMamkhwanansi. Ugogo wayelima lapho esafundela khona izinto zonke lezi. Safunda ukuchaya isitshebo. Sasichaya konke imbhida sichaya konke ledelele. Idelele liqhakathekile, sasilithanda sibili kakhulu ngoba ungacheba ngedelele uyaqeda isithwala esiningi kakhulu. Lenza umuntu aminze idelele. Yikho ke saba lenhlanhla thina ngoba sakhula logogo esifundisa konke ukupheka idelele, ukuthi idelele bantu abami aliphekwa ngesoda, izinto zesikhiwa lezo. Isoda iyayenza ukudla kungani kwamnandi. Safundiswa ukupheka ngomlotha. Uthi uyanikamisa umlotha, usucenga amanzi, usuthela embizeni, usubilisa amanzi lawana, angabila amanzi lana, nxa ule tamatisi uhluqobele khonapha usuthela emanzini abilayo. Liqhwatha idelele lakho. Lingaqhwatha khonaphana usukhipha amanzi lana phezulu. Selisala lilidelele ngoba amanzi lana abelegwebu. Usulichaya. Seliphuma ke lisiba lidelele, ubona ukuthi kalitsheli. Ikudla okumnandi sibili kakhulu khonoko. Ungalijayela idelele, mina kwala kwami khonapha abantwana abangabafana kwakuthiwa kabadla idelele kodwa bayalithanda nxa sengiliphekile.
So our delele is done here, and idelele is served mostly with a plate of istrala or isata, as we would see here. Well, this is like istrala impelite. Agole indlela. Umelinga mpawulela lemudlela liphawulana. So Idelele okra has about 90% water content. So this is very nutritious and it's very healthy. So I'm going to have a bite now. Like MaXaba said, this is served with salsa or istrala. And it looks nice. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time. Peace.